The LOKEME 61-inch portable closet offers a spacious storage solution with its impressive dimensions, making it ideal for various spaces, such as bedrooms and laundry rooms. With its versatile design, this portable wardrobe features 3 hanging rods for long garments and 6 shelves for folded items, along with side pockets for smaller accessories. Constructed with robust materials, including strong steel tubes and reinforced plastic connectors, this closet ensures stability and durability over time. The dust-proof and breathable cover provides excellent protection for your clothes, keeping them fresh and clean, while also being easy to maintain. Assembly of the closet is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and numbered steel tubes, allowing you to set it up quickly without the need for extra tools. This portable closet is designed with thoughtful features, such as extra space for shoes at the bottom, helping to keep your room tidy and organized.